An existing client of mine has approached me to see whether she can gift her daughter a lump sum of money to help towards with the purchase of a property. Now, in order to meet this need, a simple outright gift can work very well. So gifts are known as potentially exempt transfers for inheritance tax purposes or pets. For the gift to be complete, it must be unconditional. So in this case, the mother must not derive any benefit from the funds once she's given the gift to the daughter. Now, there's no limit to the value of the pet, and provided my client survives a full 7 years from the date of the gift, there will be no inheritance tax payable. Therefore, after 7 years, an inheritance tax saving of 40%. Now, if my client decided she didn't want to give a large sum away and a more modest gift, every individual has an annual exemption of £3,000 per tax year. So, mum and dad could make total gifts of £6,000 across their children per tax year. Gifts within the annual exemption reduce the parent's estate immediately and are fully exempt from inheritance tax. Additionally, if you haven't used your relief in the previous tax year, you're allowed to carry it forward for 1 year only. So parents who have not used their annual exempt gift allowance last year will be able to make gifts of £6,000 each in the current tax year, so £12,000 in total. Another tax efficient strategy is to make gifts out of your surplus net income. So providing certain conditions are met, a gift is immediately exempt from inheritance tax again. Now, these conditions are that the gift formed part of your normal expenditure, the gift was out of your income, and the gift leaves you with enough money to maintain your normal standard of living. The other option for my client, if she didn't want to make any outright gifts, was she could have considered loaning the funds to her daughter. Now, a loan can be interest-free and should be evidenced with a simple loan agreement. Just be aware that if the funds are not repaid, the loan will be classed as a gift. It is worth ensuring a loan agreement is drawn up between all parties which sets out the terms of repayments to avoid any issues in the future. There must be, of course, an intention to repay the loan from the daughter at the outset, otherwise, again, it's going to be classed as a gift from the start. So if you're looking to make any gifts to any family member and you need advice in this area, then speak to your financial planner, or if you haven't got a financial planner or you'd like to speak to us, we'd be more than happy to help.